This is Abenteuer und Allrad, the largest off-road trade fair for RVs in the world. This is Agnes Robel, and this is Carsten Lerman from, and Carsten's going to, well, Agnes owns the company, and Carsten is going to show us around this vehicle here. What's special about this one, Carsten?
This is an M650 HLB,
Yeah.
4x4 on Mercedes Sprinter, and we have, like always, a very good customized RV with a lot of wishes from the customer.
Yep. Okay, so let's have a go. Let's have a look inside. Whilst this person here is telling us to get out of the thing. So we've got a very high entry. Why is that?
We have a double floor from here to here, where we put the water tanks, the battery, electricity, that we don't lose space inside.
Yes.
And this is why we have this high floor, this double steps, because we built our floor on the original Mercedes chassis, and then we have this height.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's about what, 307 or something?
350.
Oh, 350. Sorry, I was well out there.
Yes.
Yes. Right. Oh, and okay, let's go inside.
Let's get in. So here we have, like most of our campers, the round seating in the back. Nice kitchen, 3 flame cooker with extension to work. We have a compressor fridge from Niesmann, working on 12 volts, and also we have a nice fan running, and makes it a bit more comfortable at these temperatures. So
We can feel it. I can feel the difference in the temp very strongly. I mean, obviously it's about what, 27 today or something like that. But here it's quite pleasant.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
So it's just the fan working, not the airco.
Yeah.
But that's enough for today.
Yeah.
I guess we're going to start the air condition on Saturday or on Sunday when it's about 35 degrees and more.
Yes.
But that's also no problem in here. We have windows from Hühnerkopf. Also the roof from Hühnerkopf. Very high quality, very high security, and just what the customer wanted to have. Let's look inside the bathroom. We have separate shower in a camper with 6 meters and 50. The real glass door in here. And what is new? We have a brand new dry toilet. This is our own manufactured dry toilet. Looks very nice with about a white body. It fits really good inside here, and it is available with a urine can inside here, or if the customer wants to have a separate tank, we can also make a separate urine tank to get emptied from the outside.
Yeah. And how does the dry toilet work?
The dry toilet works. It separates
The waste.
the waste in dry and
Wet and yes.
wet,
Mhm.
and there is a fan in the backside which dries everything what is in here. And when the urine is not in contact with water, it is no ugly smell. So that's what makes this thing very interesting. We need no water, we need no chemicals or stuff like this. We just need 12 volts to put on the fan, and that's all.
Yeah.
And it's you have more time to stand without.
Yeah. It makes you a longer period without having to use a chemical dump. Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
That's what's
Yeah.
missing. Yes.
Yes.
So what's
Yes.
missing.
Yes. And that's
So-
why, for example, I separate urine, which you can dump anywhere,
Yeah.
from other
Yes,
material which you can't or shouldn't. Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the customers want to go outside, not on the campsite, just stand where is a nice place, and
Yeah. Yeah,
that
use the
helps a
toilet.
lot.
Yes, yes. So I can go over a month without using it, but if there's 2 people in
Yes.
there, then it sort of brings it down.
And normally with a chemical toilet you have to take 2 or 3 days to empty the bottle, and you have to empty it on a separate station because you have chemicals.
Yeah,
inside.
sure. It has to go to a proper place. Yeah, yeah.
Takes a lot of
Saves a lot of time.
yes.
Yes, or gives a lot of time, I should say, not saves. Yeah, yeah.
Exactly. Here we have our beds, 2 meters in the front, and we have a step to get up and get down, very easy, because as you can see here, the foot fits completely on the steps, so you don't have to climb the little ladders. It's a bit more comfortable.
Yes.
Here we have the door to the driving compartment. It's not cleaned up, so it's just a Mercedes behind there.
Yeah.
And there you can walk through when the weather is not so nice.
Yeah. It's quite a big door, really, for the crawl space. Not even crawl space; it's a door space.
Yes, and you can also lift this one.
And see through there.
Yeah, and you can walk in, not.
Yeah, yeah. To well, sort of crawl in.
Yes. It's also a bit more comfortable. This one can be locked. This one can be locked. So when you want to ship the car, the driver compartment can be locked completely, and anyone can drive it without getting inside here.
Yes.
So that's also a good part when you want to go to America or Australia, and the camper has to go there by ship.
Yes.
This is the electricity, what we have in here. This Votronic system is about to give informations, batteries, waters. The solar panels can also be controlled here. The light switches inside and outside. This is from the gas tank, and we have a Truma diesel heater. So you have this height kit also here, and Truma Duo control for the gas station. All on one place and easy to use.
What do you mean by height kit?
The diesel heater is when you want to go higher than 1,700 meters. The diesel fuel has to be injected in another way that it runs better. So you can switch here. You have 2 fuel pumps, one pump for the normal height, and the second pump, it injects more fuel, so that is running up to higher places when you go to the mountains or somewhere else. And this is what you can switch here.
Very good.
Yes.
So here we've got a wardrobe, and
Here we have a wardrobe and more space for leaving things, little things, big things, just whatever you want to do.
And an oven.
Oh yes.
Oh, and the boiler's below the oven.
Exactly. Here, when you want to make some breakfast or pizza and eat inside of the bed,
Yes.
you can just put it here. Here we have the space for the heater. When there is maybe something to fix, you can reach it.
Yeah.
So not hidden too much.
And
Under here, we have our battery. 210 amps Super B lithium battery. And some fuses, also reachable. When there is a problem, you can look there very easy and not climb through the double floor or something like that. And here you can also see the height from the double floor. There is a lot of space to put the tanks, the technique that you don't want to have to waste these wardrobes. So, what else can we show you? Normal kitchen stuff. Like always, here we have these
Baskets.
Baskets.
Yeah, come out.
and then you can put your stuff from shopping in here, put it back in a very easy way, and it fits. We also have a little dustbin in here and some more space for whatever you want to put in.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of space.
Yeah, and I notice under here also storage as well under at the back.
Some water inside.
Yeah.
No alcoholics.
Yeah.
And also here.
Yeah.
Everything used. So you have seen the max fan.
Yeah. And
also with lights. Very nice. And what else can I show you?
well, let's have a look on the outside.
Okay. This is the gas plug for barbecue or cooking when you want to cook outside.
Yeah.
In the garage, you have enough space for wiring, hat or coffee machine.
Yes.
You can also fix the load on the back side that it don't flap here.
Yes.
And here you can see the seat belts for the back compartment.
Yeah.
So we have 2 seats in the back, 2 in the front, so you can drive with 4 persons and also sleep with 4 persons.
I noticed that a bed could be made at the back. Yes. Yeah.
Here we have a ladder to climb up because we can walk on the roof. That is no problem because we have this high stability. Here we have brackets for fuel cans. So when the customer wants to go outside where there is no fuel station, you can put also fuel
At the back.
here. And here we have the spare wheel.
Yeah.
And we can also put a second spare wheel under here from the original Mercedes bracket. And these Alco-Stützen.
Yeah, the Alco leveling device.
Yes.
Yes.
Works manually, that it don't
Yeah.
swing so much, because the Mercedes is a very comfortable chassis, but when it stands it swings a bit more than some other campers maybe. We have twin wheels because we have this 5.5 ton chassis.
Yeah.
But we have about 1 ton loading capacity, and that should last for a long time.
Oh yes, yes, yes. I imagine even more than 1 ton, in fact. Yeah. Now, very nice vehicle.
Thank you.
So, well, thanks for showing us. And I shall finish by walking over here and getting a good view to end with. Although the sun is so bright, I can't see what's being filmed. So, I hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching, and all the best from us in Bad Kissingen.